Hello, Wellesley High School. Today we're going to talk about dilutions. The basic premise for a dilution is that we start with a really concentrated solution, like you see here. Okay, there's a lot of those purple particles in this volume of water. Okay, so it's really highly concentrated. When we dilute something, that means we add more water. Okay, I'm going to represent that by just raising the water line. Okay, once I add more water, these particles can spread out. Okay, so the solution becomes less concentrated. Okay, if we look at any given part of the solution, there are fewer particles than there used to be. Okay, so the solution became more dilute when I added more water. Okay, the number of particles stayed exactly the same. I didn't add any more purple particles. I didn't take any purple particles away. All I did was I allowed them to become more spread out. They became less concentrated when I added more water. The formula for dilutions is the molarity of the concentrated times the volume of the concentrated equals the molarity of the diluted solution times the volume of the diluted solution. If we look at this equation, we see molarity times volume equals molarity times volume. Think about what this means mathematically. Okay, molarity is measured in moles per liter, and volume is measured in liters. Okay, and we have the same thing on the other side. Basically, what this comes down to is moles of solute equals moles of solute. Okay, again, the basic premise for a dilution problem is that we're not changing the moles of solute, we're changing the concentration by changing the volume of the solution. Okay, here's the sample problem. It reads, what volume of 12 molar HCl do you need to make 1.5 liters of a 3 molar solution? Okay. In our formula, we have the information, the molarity and the volume of the concentrated solution on the left, and the molarity and volume of the diluted solution on the right. It actually doesn't matter which side you put it on as long as you pair up the right numbers. Okay, so the 12 molar is going to be paired up with our unknown, right? So it says what volume of 12 molar HCl. So on one side of our solution, we're going to have 12 times x, and then on the other side, we're going to have 3 times 1.5. Okay. 12 is the molarity of the concentrated, x is our unknown volume, 3 is the molarity of the dilute solution, and 1.5 is the volume of the dilute solution. Okay, we multiply 3 times 1.5 and divide both sides by 12. Okay, and so x equals 0.38. Okay, what are our units here? Well, we're solving for a volume, and our other volume was in liters, so this is in liters. Okay, so our answer here is x equals 0.38 liters, basically, of the 12 molar HCl solution.